So I have a drawer in my vanity that's not doing too great. So we're gonna go through it all and then organize it all. This is what it looks like. So let's fix that. So the first thing we have is Goofy String, Fart Slime, a game like throw the avocado, throw the burrito, but I don't really have the things like the cards and the directions to play these, so I just got some free squishies from a box. Next is this, cute, it's a little lip balm holder, and then a phone case. Oh shoot! And then a whole ton of stuff that I don't really necessarily need. So these are like some stickers. That's a sticker from my Ninja Gym. That it's like Ninja Warrior stuff. My school. That and that. They're like tattoos. And then I guess throw these or put them on my body. I'll find up spots. A little bit of candy. And a whole ton of squishes. So let's find a spot for all of this. So these, they're going to go in my side desk. And then my squishy stuff, I think you guys kind of already know all of my squishies, but I found 2 new ones today. Well, more like 6 new ones. The first one, I swear this thing is so heavy, is like a little Orby yellow one. There's like a lot of hair. There's a lot of air in it, so you want to take it out with me? But like, that's it. So I have a tack right here. Let's get all the air in one spot. You see all that air? I did it. Okay, this is squishy now. It's not really any better, but hey, it's still squishy. And then I have this like fidgety box thingy. There's like a light switch, buttons, like a, you know, thing, some like Roy things, and then a marble, and then like this thing that like goes around in a circle, but I like can't get it to move like that, so that's the second thing. We have 2 burritos, and they're like foam. I love them. And then we have the 2 avocados that fit in each other. Like, here's the one with the shell, or the shell, the nut. There we go. And then this one without the nut. And then they go like in a little pair. I love it. So let's fit all this stuff into there. Okay, so this is it all. This, that's heavy. It's gonna go boom right there. Don't mind the tacks in there. This is gonna go right there. This is gonna go in my squishies. And so is this. Come on, focus on the ball. Okay, it's not focusing. And then my 4 squishies goes in here also. Give me a sec. And then these 2 go right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!